Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Guppy Beast, or if it's your first time here, I'm Sean. I want to just share real quick and real fast and real simple the first three things that should absolutely go on when you set up your first aquarium. Get right to the point. So first thing you definitely want to do is just use your tap water that you have available. You don't have to drive nowhere. You're not trying to remineralize water or none of that crazy stuff. So with that being said, you're going to have to use a dechlorinator. So if you're not dechlorinating your water, that's why your fish are not lasting very long or they're dying right away. So I use Prime by Chem. So it's just a dechlorinator. You follow directions on the bottle. Quite simple. There's tons. Ultimate, this is what my local fish store uses. Use your own tap water, first of all. Second of all, you want to make sure you dechlorinate your water. So I'm going to try to use an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Hopefully I figure out how to do it. If not, it won't be there. If I figure it out, check it out, it'll be down there. It's going to be the salt. So I like to use API aquarium salt. Again, directions on the back. Don't skip this step. What I use, my local fish store uses the Fritz A+ aquarium salt. So make sure you follow those three things. Use your tap water, dechlorinate it, add your salt, and you should be pretty set up for success right there. It can help you guys be successful. Those are the three must-dos pretty much. So I'll catch you guys next time.